Have you ever wondered why some people become fluent in English, while others spend years learning but still hesitate, still translate in their heads, still feel nervous when speaking? Today, I'm going to tell you the truth that nobody wants to say out loud. Because the truth is simple, but not easy. This video is called The Only Way to Become Fluent in English. And yes, I mean it. There is one core method that separates fluent speakers from everyone else. If you follow it, you will speak English confidently, naturally, and smoothly, no matter your age, no matter your background, no matter where you live. Let's begin.
Part 1. The Big Lie. Most people think fluency comes from grammar books, vocabulary lists, or memorizing rules. But here's a secret. You don't become fluent by learning English. You become fluent by using English. Think about it. A child who grows up speaking English never studies grammar. They learn by listening, imitating, repeating, and speaking, long before they ever open a textbook. But adults do the opposite. They study rules, fear mistakes, translate every sentence, and speak only when they feel ready. But guess what? You will never feel ready. You become ready only after speaking. That's why millions of learners get stuck. Part 2. The only way to become fluent. So here is the truth. The only way to become fluent is immersion, surrounding yourself with English every single day. Not sometimes, not once a week, every single day. Immersion means English becomes part of your lifestyle, not just a subject you study. You need to hear English, speak English, think in English, and interact with English, even if you are living in a non-English speaking country. Immersion doesn't require traveling abroad. Immersion is a mindset, not a location. And you can create it right where you are. Part 3. The formula. Input to imitation to output. Let me break it down into 3 powerful steps. If you follow these steps consistently, fluency becomes automatic. Step 1. Massive input. Listen more than you study. Fluent speakers listen a lot. Your brain learns naturally from patterns. The more English you hear, the more automatic the language becomes. Here's what massive input looks like. Watch YouTube videos every day. Listen to podcasts, audiobooks, or English speeches. Watch movies or series with English subtitles. Follow English-speaking creators on social media. The goal is simple. Let your brain absorb English naturally. Input is fuel. Without fuel, you cannot drive the car. Without listening, you cannot speak fluently. Step 2. Imitation. This is the real game changer. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence, then immediately repeat it with the same tone, rhythm, and emotion. Try this with movie scenes, speeches, or podcasts. Shadowing trains your mouth and brain to work together. It removes the bad habit of translating in your head because you start thinking in English naturally. This is how actors learn perfect accents. This is how children learn their first language. And this is how you will become fluent. Step 3. Output. You must speak English every day, even if you have no partner. Fluency is a muscle. If you don't use it, it becomes weak. Here are easy daily speaking habits. Talk to yourself while doing daily activities. Describe what you see around you. Explain your plans, feelings, and thoughts in English. Use voice recording apps and listen to your own pronunciation. Speak with AI tools, voice bots, or online partners. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need big vocabulary. You don't need a native partner. You just need to speak. And you can start today.
Part 4. The biggest enemy. Fear. Let me tell you the real reason most people never become fluent. They are afraid. Afraid of making mistakes, afraid of sounding wrong, afraid of being judged. But here is something nobody tells you. Every fluent English speaker you admire has made thousands of mistakes. Mistakes are not a problem. Mistakes are the path. Fluency does not come from perfection. Fluency comes from confidence. Think of learning English like learning to ride a bicycle. You can read books about bicycles. You can watch tutorials. You can listen to tips. But you will never truly learn until you get on the bicycle and fall a few times. That's exactly how fluency works. Part 5. Build your own English world. To become fluent, create an environment where English becomes unavoidable. Here is how. Your phone language, English. Your YouTube feed, English. Your social media, English creators. Your thoughts, English. Your entertainment, English. When English becomes your daily environment, your brain adapts automatically. And once your brain adapts, fluency becomes natural, not forced. Part 6. The daily fluency routine. Here's a simple routine that will bring results faster than any grammar book. 1. Listen, 10 minutes. Choose a YouTube video or podcast. 2. Shadow, 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat sentences exactly as you hear them. 3. Speak, 5 minutes. Talk about your day, your goals, your thoughts. If you follow this routine for 30 days, your fluency will improve more than years of studying. Part 7. The mindset of successful English learners. Fluent speakers have 3 powerful habits. Habit 1. They don't wait for confidence. They build it. Confidence comes from action, not thinking. Habit 2. They learn from mistakes, not avoid them. Every mistake is a victory. It means you tried. Habit 3. They stay consistent. Even 10 minutes every day is more powerful than 2 hours once a week. Your brain needs repetition. Your mouth needs practice. Your ears need exposure. Consistency is the key that unlocks everything. Conclusion. The real promise. So let me repeat the truth. The only way to become fluent in English is immersion, listening, imitating, speaking, and thinking in English every single day. Not studying endlessly, not memorizing grammar rules, not translating word by word. Fluent English is not learned. It is absorbed. It is practiced. It is lived. If you create an English environment around you, fluency becomes inevitable. It's not a dream. It's a process. And you can start today.